हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, शायद अभी आपके हाफ ईयरली एग्जाम्स चल रहे हैं और लेकिन अगर हाफ ईयरली के रिजल्ट्स देखकर आपका कुछ पढ़ने का मन हो जाए, कुछ मोटिवेशन अगर आपको मिल जाए, तो ये वीडियो आपके लिए है। बिना देरी किए हम इस वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। इन दिस वीडियो वी शैल डिस्कस द चैप्टर क्लाइमेट ऑफ इंडिया इन डिटेल. As we all know that India has a tropical monsoon type of climate. So first we'll discuss about the word monsoon. The word monsoon owes its origin to an Arabic word mausim, which means season. Now, what are monsoon winds? These winds appear to blow from southwest for 6 months and from northeast for another 6 months. Hence, as they reverse their direction seasonally, they are called monsoon winds and the climate as tropical monsoon type of climate. As we all know that India has tropical monsoon type of climate. So, let us discuss the seasons which India has. India mainly has 4 seasons, and on the basis of monsoon variation, the year may be divided as such. The hot dry season from March to May, the rainy season or the season of the southwest monsoon, June to September, and the season of the retreating southwest monsoon from October to November, the cold season or the season of the northeast monsoon from December to February. In this part, we shall discuss the hot dry season, that is from March to May. During the hot dry season, the sun shines directly over the Tropic of Cancer, and we all know this is known as summer solstice. The mainland of India experiences intense heat during the months of March to May, and as a result of this intense heat, low pressure conditions develop on the mainland of India while high pressure conditions prevail over the surrounding seas. And then, as the whole country simmers in heat, low pressure conditions over the land become more severe, and a low pressure trough develops between the Thar Desert and the Chota Nagpur region. So, as a result of this low pressure trough between Thar Desert and Chota Nagpur, okay, remember this word. Low pressure trough develops between Thar and Chota Nagpur, okay, because during the summers the landmass of India gets extremely hot, and as a result of this pressure, what happens? Winds from the surrounding regions, they move towards the low pressure trough that has developed in circulation, and the winds arrive in circulation. And these winds give rise to thunderstorms with strong dusty winds, often bringing a shower of rain, mostly in Punjab, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. Now let us discuss some of the local winds which blow during this season. Kal Baisakhi, or the calamity of the month of Baisakh. In West Bengal, these local winds are called Kal Baisakhi, meaning the calamity of the month of Baisakh. They are also called nor'westers because they blow in northwest direction. These winds are accompanied by thunderstorms and bring heavy rainfall. The rain in the month of April-May is good for tea crop in Assam and jute and rice in West Bengal. A number of times I have seen questions are set on this topic. What are Kal Baisakhi, where do they blow, and how are they useful? Okay, so keep this in mind. Now the second type of local wind is Lu. Lu are hot, dry, dusty winds, some of them called sandstorms, which blow particularly in the month of May and June in the northern plains. The fierce heat with temperatures rising up to 45 to 50 degrees Celsius, they may cause sunstroke which may be fatal. and then we'll discuss about the mango showers. These occur in the South India during the month of April May. They bring a little rain, which is important for mango, tea, and coffee plantations. Hence, they are also called mango showers. Right? Now, let us discuss some of the key features of the hot season. Now, this season is marked by dry weather and excessive heat. In this season, the sun shines vertically over the Tropic of Cancer. The range of temperature is low over the coastal regions. Why? Why is the range of temperature low over the coastal regions? Because they experience equable or moderating climate because of their closeness to the sea. And then the brief spell of showers experienced at this time is very useful for tea crop in Assam, rice in West Bengal, and mango, tea, and coffee in the south. Okay, thank you so much.